So, thank you for watching. This video is going to be on installing aftermarket speakers into your Endeavor. So the first thing you want to do is come here and remove this bezel. This bezel does got one bolt in it. It's a 4-way. It's right here. You need to remove that. Once you get that removed, you can come over here and this will pop straight up. And you want to unplug it. I done got this unplugged because the window switch is destroyed. Needs replaced. So does the driver. The back doors is they fine, but need to fix those sooner or later. Now, once you get that popped out of the way, you need to come here and remove the two 4-ways that's underneath this door handle. Okay, once you get all those bolts removed, you can come over here to the side of it, get a 1-way or something, and pop this out. So all you want to do is come here to the side, get you a 1-way or something. They make a tool for this, but not everybody's got the tool. Find where your clip is and just pop it loose. Just like so. Sometimes they come off easy, sometimes they come off without a battle. This has been off before, like I said. Then you pick straight up on it and pull out. And basically, that is how you remove your door panel. You can see that's the clips that holds it on all the way around. And guess what? I have no speaker. Nope, sure don't. Don't know why. Because somebody kept them, I guess. The only speakers this Endeavor had in it when I got it was 2 back and there was 2 Pioneer. Like I said, that's a head unit from LKQ. Had to put that in it for the limited system because it's got an amp. Had to redo all the amp wires and stuff because somebody had them cut. So now let's go ahead and get started on that. Okay, you will want to remove this. Oops, I done had the bolts out of it anyway, but you get the idea. Your aftermarket speaker won't fit in. Now I don't know if it will bolt up yet, but we shall find out. And if we can split the difference on them. That's 1, 2. That's that one. And that one. And that one. We actually might need a build a spacer for these. I ain't 100% on that. Let me see what I can come up with. So this is a speaker install. I took some self-tappers, 4 very short ones because you don't want to use 2 longer ones because your windshield, or your window, might hit them. But there ain't none in the bottom, but it ain't gonna rattle. Not with this factory system or nothing, so we want no use to actually build a spacer or buy some adapter inserts. You can actually get inserts for this. But that's pretty good. Plays good and sounds good. I'm gonna put the door panel back on it. Okay, that's pretty much the speaker install all done. It sounds pretty good. I got 3 more doors to go. Next is probably going to be that side. Or maybe this back one. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you on the next video. Be sure to check my channel out. Thank you for watching.